Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we just wanted to say thank you for all the well wishes and prayers and donations that you guys have made during this very difficult time in Houston with the flooding from Harvey. And I told you we'd go and get you a crack video before the week was over. So Renae and I came down. It's our first venture out to our office since all this began. So I'm going to adjust Renae today on the BioPhysics table. So Renae, come on over. We're using a tripod so we can only do one adjustment. Okay. And this is the most thorough full spine, full body adjustment I can do.
Did you get to turn it on?
Yeah. Adjust your pelvis first. L5, L4, L3. Oh, there you go. Oh boy.
Oh, God.
Crackheads always love you, honey. Okay. Okay. Hopefully I'm still in the video here, I'm not sure. Alright, so let's sit you up face the camera. So you can see Renae's wearing our Houston Strong, Houston Texans shirt today. There.
It's cracking before.
There.
Ooh.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Good. So, by the way, we are going to help other Houston chiropractors who have been displaced from their office due to the flooding by opening up 2 of our rooms in our office. If they need to see patients, they can come here until they get their flood damage repaired and see those patients. And we did that, offered that on the Facebook Texas Chiropractors this morning. And any Houston chiropractor that's been displaced from their office, we're going to open up 2 of our rooms here in this office at Advanced Chiropractic Relief for you to come in and see your patients if you need to because of the flood damage. Brooke Adams also has a fundraising event going on for the city of Houston. So if you Google Brooke Adams, should be on her, it's on our website, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's also on Facebook. But anyway, we thank you for your prayers and your well wishes and thoughts during this difficult time, and we're coming back to you with some crack this week from Renae. This is your Houston chiropractor.
We'll be back in the office on Tuesday the 5th.
Yes, we'll return back to the office on Tuesday the 5th. The building's closed, has been closed all week, and then they're closed on Monday, Labor Day, so we'll be back in the office on Tuesday seeing patients. So y'all have a great weekend, and thank you again for your well wishes and your prayers. We love y'all and thank you for subscribing, watching, commenting, and sharing all of our videos on YouTube. This is your Houston Chiropractor and Renee coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.
Bye.